Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Tom here, the grumpy old guy. Not so grumpy anymore. I say that all the time, but it's true. Please remember to subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, comment down below, request any videos you want me to do, and hit that notification bell. Check out Fan Vote Friday. You get to vote on the following Friday's video. Today we're doing a new one. Someone may have brought this name up to me in a comment. It's kind of a suggestion, but it's Steve N. Seagulls. Steve with a little N and then Seagulls. And it's Thunderstruck, and don't know a lot about them, but they're a Finnish country band playing bluegrass version of well-known hard rock and metal songs. Started in 2011. Thunderstruck was that AC/DC? I believe so. So, don't know much about them other than that, and let's go.
In the middle of a railroad track, looked around and I knew there was no turning back. My mind raced and I thought, what could I do? And I knew there was no help from you. Sound of the drums beating my heart. The thunder of guns tore me apart. You've been thunderstruck. Went down the highway, broke the limits, we hit the town. Went to the Texas, yeah, Texas, and we had some fun. Some girls, some dancers who gave a good time. Broke all the rules, played all the fools. Yeah, yeah, they blew my mind. I was shaking at the knees. Could I come again, please? Yeah, the ladies were too kind. You've been thunderstruck. Thunderstruck, thunderstruck, thunderstruck. I was shaking at the knees. Could I come again, please? You've been thunderstruck, 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 thunderstruck. Yeah, yeah, it's alright. Here, it's doing fine. Yeah, it's alright. Here, doing fine. Oh, thunderstruck. Thunderstruck, thunderstruck,
I don't know what to say. It was great. I enjoyed the hell out of that. But they're from Finland? Christ, they look like they were from the backwoods of West Virginia or Kentucky. I mean, a stand-up bass, playing the spoons, got an accordion. I don't know what kind of a guitar that guy was playing. He's hitting on an anvil. My goodness. He's got suspenders with no shirt. Oh my goodness. They're from Finland. It's amazing. But I enjoyed that. That was fun. That was really fun. They were good considering what the hell they were playing. I like the stand-up bass. I do. The dude from the Stray Cats always did that. What was his name? Joe Rocker or something like that. But that was good. I enjoyed it. That was something different. And really, they were good with what they had. But I would have never expected them to be from Finland. Wow, because there's some great artists in Finland, Nightwish and some other ones. Wow. So definitely maybe I'll have to check out some more of them. So now it's time for
Tom's Worthless Facts.
In 2011, when they were formed, the top songs that year were Rolling in the Deep by Adele. I love that song. Party Rock Anthem by LMFAQ or O, something like that. I never heard of them. Firework from Katy Perry. I don't know her at all. E.T. by Katy Perry, again featuring Kanye West. Now I've heard of him, but I don't know anything he sings. The top movies that year were Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows. I never saw any Harry Potter stuff. The Transformers, Dark of the Moon, never saw any Transformers. Pirates of the Caribbean, On Stranger Tides, never saw any of the Pirates of the Caribbean. The Twilight Saga, Breaking Dawn, never saw any of that too. So most of the movies I watch are back from the 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, stuff like that. So some 90s, because I like The Green Mile and Shawshank Redemption. They're from the 90s, I believe. So thank you so much. Appreciate y'all. Hopefully you enjoyed that. I certainly did. It was different. So as my father always said, hang in there tough. Be Major League. Till next time. We'll see you.